Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because the news is finally out and we could not be more excited to announce that we're pregnant. My husband and I have been hoping to start a family for a really long time, so this has been such an answer to prayer. And I know if you follow me on Instagram, we've shared a little bit about our journey, and this is just the best possible news for us right now, and we couldn't be more grateful for all of y'all and all the love and support that you've shared with us along the way, because we've kept this a secret for quite a while, and it's been pretty hard not to talk about it because the first trimester has been a little bit rough. I am going to be filming a video giving a whole first trimester update and what my experience has been like so far, so be sure to check that out. Also, my husband Michael and I just took pictures on the beach to announce our pregnancy, and it was super fun. My mother-in-law actually took all of these for us, and it was super windy and I didn't know if they were going to turn out, but I absolutely loved them, and we're really excited to be able to share the news with all of our friends and family that way as well. So be sure to subscribe because I'm going to be doing updates about the whole pregnancy and getting the nursery ready. I already have some really great ideas for decorating the nursery and new paintings. I plan on working throughout the whole pregnancy, and I'll still be posting videos here of my paintings, so I can't wait.